Okay, this is my lab 9 uh, video for the Uart transmitter lab. I'm doing this one a little different since I have to show my screen to show the terminal that I'll be sending values to from my FPGA board. But before I share my screen to do that, here's my FPGA board. It's been programmed with our transmitter module, which takes hex values given in from the switches in order to use the center button to input those values into the terminal. And so it'll take those values as ASCII values to put text and other different things on the terminal. So I'm going to keep my FPGA board down here since mine's a little finicky. And if the cord moves too much, it will die on me. So I'm going to put everything back to 0. And I'm going to share my screen to share the PuTTY terminal. So here we have my nice PuTTY terminal. And if let's put in just a little message, shall we? Let's do this, and then we want, here we go. Here's an H. And then we want not that one, not that one, not that one, not that. There we go. Here we go. Now this will pick up a little bit because now I'm actually closer to the values that I want. And let's turn off all those and just do this. There's a space, good old space. Go back to we'll get there, and then yeah, it took me a long time to find an L. That was kind of ridiculous. There we go. So now we have hello world. Maybe we can even throw in an exclamation point and then another space. And we can show that with the right input, the cursor can move down. How about we do that? Cursor can move down. And then we can also do tabs. Oh, that one's not tabs. That's a different command that apparently is moving the cursor back, which is nice. Didn't know that you could do that. Fun discovery. We can also do tabs. What happens if, oh, and then I did want to show what happens if we get a value that is above what we want to see. We could, if we get one above the 7, we get these nice symbols that when you have hexadecimal 80 and above, you just get these blank symbols. And so, yeah, that is my lab 9. The transmitter is working correctly and it's putting all the right values that I am putting into my FPGA board. And so, yeah, that is it for this lab.